Hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, welcome back to the channel. I know your exams are just around the corner, which is why we're doing this super quick revision today. We're gonna make you absolute masters of cones and spheres. Ready? Let's dive right in.
You know, the best part about geometry is that it's literally everywhere you look. It's in the ice cream cone you're begging your mom for, it's in the birthday cap you wear, it's even in the cricket ball. So, understanding these shapes isn't just for marks, it's about seeing the cool math hidden in our everyday world. So, here's our game plan for today. Super simple. We'll meet the cone, get friendly with its formulas, then we'll roll over to the sphere, and we'll finish up with the hemisphere. I promise you, by the end of this, everything will be crystal clear. Alright, first up, the cone. Just think of a joker's cap from a party or maybe even a yummy, hot samosa. It's a shape we all know and love, right? Now, every cone has three main heroes in its story. See here? We've got R for the radius of its flat circular bottom, H for its straight vertical height, and L for its slant height. That's the length of the sloping side. Just remember these three, R, H, and L.
Okay, let's talk about the formulas. Now don't get scared when you see them. They look a bit tricky, but trust me, they're not. Bilkul easy hai yaar.
And here is the magic link that connects our three heroes. If you look at the cone from the side, what do you see? The radius, the height, and the slant height, they make a perfect right-angled triangle, which means we can use our good old friend, the Pythagoras theorem. So L squared is equal to R squared plus H squared. This little formula is the key to unlocking so many problems.
Okay, let's talk area. First, the curved surface area, or CSA. That's just the wrapper part of the cone, you know? The formula is simply pi RL. So easy. Then there's the total surface area, or TSA. That's the curvy part plus the flat circle at the bottom. So we take our pi RL and we add the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. It just simplifies to pi r times L plus r.
All right, let's test this out. Quick question for you all. Imagine a cone has a slant height L of 10 centimeters and a base radius R of 7 centimeters. What's its curved surface area? Come on, you know the formula we just talked about. Give it a shot.
Okay, let's do it. First step, always write the formula. CSA equals pi RL. Step 2, we just plug in the numbers. That's 22 by 7 times 10. And look at that. The 7s just cancel each other out. So you're left with 22 times 10, which is 220 square centimeters. See? Simple.
Okay, next up is volume. How much stuff can we fit inside a cone? To understand this, let's imagine a little experiment. We have a cone and a cylinder, both with the exact same height and radius. How many cones full of sand would it take to fill up the cylinder completely? Let's try. Here's the first one going in, and in goes the second cone. It's getting there, but as you can see, the cylinder is definitely not full yet. What do you think? How many more?
And the third one, and look at that. It fills it up perfectly, right to the top. Not a little more, not a little less. Exactly 3. This picture is the key to remembering the formula forever.
So, what did that little experiment just show us? It takes 3 cones to fill one cylinder. That's why the volume of a cone is just 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder. We know the cylinder's volume is pi r squared h, so the cone's is just 1/3 pi r squared h. Never forget that image.
All right, we're done with cones. Let's move on to the next shape, the sphere. The easiest way to think about this, a perfect cricket ball, or maybe even a delicious round motichur laddu. A beautiful, simple shape. So the surface area is basically the area of its entire outer skin. And the formula for this is just so simple and elegant, I love it. It's 4 times pi times r squared. That's it. It's like the area of 4 circles with the same radius all wrapped around a ball.
And what about the space inside? The volume? The formula for that is 4/3 pi r cubed. And here's the small tip. Remember, area is a 2D measurement, so it uses r squared. Volume is a 3D measurement, so it uses r cubed. It's a neat little trick to double-check your formula in an exam.
So what happens if we take our perfect sphere and just slice it right down the middle? Well, we get a hemisphere. You've probably seen those satisfying Instagram reels of a potter making a perfect katori or a bowl on a wheel. Well, that's a hemisphere. Now this is really important, so listen closely. A sphere has just one continuous curved surface, but a hemisphere has 2 faces. It has the curved part, which is half of the sphere, but it also has a brand new flat circular face right on top. So the formulas are pretty easy to guess. The volume is just half the sphere's volume, so that's 2 by 3 pi r cubed. The curved surface area is also just half of the sphere's, so 2 pi r squared. But, and this is a classic exam trap, the total surface area is the curved part, which is 2 pi r squared, plus the flat circle on top, which is another pi r squared. So the TSA is actually 3 pi r squared. Please don't forget that extra circle.
Okay, bachos, this slide right here is the most important one. It's everything we've talked about, all in one neat table. Pull out your phones right now and take a screenshot of this. This is your golden ticket, your ultimate revision cheat sheet for the exam.
Listen to me. You have studied, you have worked hard, and now you understand these concepts inside and out. You are completely ready. You've got this. Just stay calm and go and ace that exam. All the very best, my dear Bacho.
And hey, if this quick revision helped you feel more confident, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this with all your friends because they need it too. And most importantly, leave a comment and tell me which chapter you want me to revise next. I'm here to help you. See you next time.